think it's dust, don't you? It's all brownish. But look at that hole. It's almost a hole right there. But wow, you should see to the southwest. You should come out all the way out and look to between the buildings right here. Look at that. That's really dark.
It's funny because
yeah, there's nothing. Yeah. But look at how brown it looks. It looks gross. It's gotta be. I'm sure it's gotta be dust. We're gonna get some really dirty, dirty rain. Wow, look at how it almost looks. It just looks really surreal. The color. That's just creepy. Huh? Retarded cat.
you're not getting reflection in the window, are you?
I don't think so. The other retarded cat.
Not so retarded over here.
Oh, we got another retarded cat out here. That's just weird. But yeah, it's like, it's not as dark as it was when I first came out. Yeah, is that the front of the storm, ahead of the storm? Doesn't it smell nice? It smells kind of like chocolate or cocoa or something.